tayong light at the end din, no? I'll be very direct. Honorable Chairperson, distinguished members of the committee, magandang araw po. Our fishing operations today are operating at the edge. Last Monday, April 6, we submitted our position paper to this committee. Unfortunately, hindi pa po umabot ng isang linggo, tumaas na naman po ang presyo ng crudo. Last February 28, the price was at 49. Yesterday, it's at 166. That's threefold increase in less than 40 days. It now accounts to around 75 to 85% of our operating costs. Sa mga ganitong kondisyon, kahit mapalaot kami, wala kang huli, hindi ka lang lugi, luging-lugi talaga. This is not just a risk, it's already happening now. Nababawasan na at patuloy pang mababawasan ang mga bangka at barkong pumapalaot. For many, it is not economically viable anymore. And when the boat stops, mababa po ang supply, and we all know what follows. Pressure po sa food security. On top of